I'm Maruko. Today I'm going to make a cheesecake without baking.
Let's prepare the ingredients we need. 100 gram digestive biscuit, 200 gram cream cheese, 15 gram butter, 100 gram sugar, 200 ml fresh cream, 90 gram yogurt, 6 gram gelatin. Melt the butter by microwave. Put the melted butter into digested biscuit. Mix them well. Put it into cake pan. Spreading evenly. Press by spoon. Put 30 gram sugar into cream cheese. Blend them well. The cream cheese will be bigger and softer with blending. Keep blending until it turns like this. Put it into a big bowl. We will use it later. Put 70 gram sugar into fresh milk. Blend them well. It will take a very long time. If you put some ice under the bowl, it will be faster to get well. Keep going until it turns like this. Add the fresh cream into cream cheese. Blend them well until it turns very smooth. The basic cheesecake batter is ready now. But I add some yogurt to make it taste sweet and sour. Blend them well until it turns very smooth. Put the gelatin into water until it turns very soft. Prepare some hot water. Put the batter ball inside. Prepare a thermometer. Add the gelatin inside when the temperature of the batter turns to 50 degrees. Blend them well until the gelatin melted totally. Put the batter into cake pan. Chill it in the refrigerator about 4 hours until it's firm. It's ready. I will decorate my cheesecake by some biscuit crumb. Blow in the cake pan with hot wind. Then the pan will be taken off either. A cute GitHub is ready. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, please comment.